If you've been watching Locksmith Recommended for a while, you know I hate monthly subscription fees. I have a video camera system, no monthly subscription fee. I have a smart lock deadbolt, no monthly subscription fee. I have a video doorbell, no monthly subscription fee. I even have a garage door monitor. It tells me when my garage door is left open. No monthly subscription fee. But if you own this car and you're like me, you're in for a rude awakening. If you want to see my product overviews on all those things I just mentioned that don't have monthly subscription fees, I'll put links to those down below in the description. Just click on those links and that'll take you to the right video. Now this car manufacturer that has been giving you this remote start car service for free for as long as they've had the capability in the car is now going to charge you monthly or yearly subscription fees in order to use the remote start feature on your remote. And that car company is Toyota. And here's a Toyota remote. Now you might notice you don't see a remote start feature on this remote. In fact, if you have another car, it normally looks like this, a circle. And that is the remote start feature. I press that twice and it starts my vehicle. On Toyotas, the remote start feature is actually the lock button. You have to press it 3 times. You press it twice quickly, and then on the third press, you press and hold it, and that'll remotely start your vehicle. Now, remote starts are great. So here in Arizona in the summertime, it's 115 degrees out. Your car can get as hot as 180 degrees. I use the remote start feature to cool down my car before I get in. If you live someplace that's cold, maybe you're using that remote start feature to heat the car up before you get in. So it's a capability I know and love, and it's been free in all vehicle manufacturers for as long as I can remember. But Toyota is beginning to change that. Back in around 2018, Toyota introduced an app called Remote Connect. And Remote Connect actually enables you to download their app on your phone and do things such as lock and unlock your vehicle from your phone. But they actually tied the remote start capability to that app. And in 2018, they were giving people 3-year free subscriptions to that app. Well, guess what? Here we are late 2021, going into 2022, and those subscriptions are starting to expire. And people who use the free remote start capability are going to find it no longer works. So what has Toyota done? Now, if you want to continue to use that feature, you actually have to pay them $80 a year or $8 a month in order to continue to use that because they tied it to the app. Now, it kind of makes sense to me with the app, right? Having a subscription fee because your app's going to go off to Toyota, it pings Toyota, it sends a signal out to your car, and it locks, unlocks your doors. So you're actually pinging the Toyota servers. There's some maintenance involved there. I kind of get that. But when you do remote start, it's the actual fob or the actual remote talking directly to the car, and you don't need to go off to Toyota servers to do that. They chose to tie that function to their app so that they could charge you that monthly fee. What do you think about that? Now in 2020, they actually eased up a little bit and they started giving 10-year free subscriptions to this system. So this isn't going to impact most people buying a car now. It's going to impact the people that buy the car from them. So the second user, the third user, they're the ones that are going to end up paying these fees. But to me, it's absolutely ridiculous. When you pay $40, $50, $60,000 for a car, you shouldn't have to then kick in $80 a year in order to use a remote start feature. So that's all I have for you today. That was something that I wanted to get out there and share. What do you think? Comment about it down below in the comments. I'm Robert. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.